Leos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of June 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle decks. This is the Angel Therapy cards. We also have the Butterfly Oracle deck right here before you. With respect to your love life, Leos, I will dive into this Love Oracle deck created by me. The link is given in the description box, so in case you want to make a purchase, then you can do just that. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2021, we have the World card. In these final days, Leos, you are feeling complete. Maybe this cycle had ended and you are going to embark on a new cycle. This is the energy which you are going to carry forward. Incidentally, you had also made gains with respect to work. Perhaps you were being called upon not to be too greedy, or maybe you had ended up squandering your chances. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Six of Wands energy. It's quite likely that in this month there will be sudden activity for you. Maybe you have to be up and about, or you may be moving to and fro. Paperwork or technical issues could also keep you busy. I think you should follow your instinct and rely on your own intelligence, as you will come away making gains. Interestingly, even after you make those inroads or even after you make those gains, you may feel as though your pockets aren't too deep. I think you desire clarity with respect to financial matters. Maybe you feel that someone is not being honest. This month, Leos, you'll also be the center of attention. I think some of you could also be in the spotlight. Influences for this month, we have the Tower card. The uprush of energy is such that you will make those quick decisions or you will have those hasty reactions. In all likelihood, you'll be very impulsive this month. Basically, you're in an aggressive move that you want to capitalize. I think communication will also increase. Ideally, I think Leos, you're being called upon to control the situation rather than let it go out of hand. Perhaps you should also lower your expectations a bit, or be very realistic and practical rather than set your hopes too high. Surely there'll be those delays, but then you'll also be able to complete a lot of what you set out to do. This month is also the time when you will be receiving your dues, and this could be a surprise for many of you. Nevertheless, I think you should brace yourself for a lot of activity or excess work. Your skills will also be in demand this month. The first 10 days of June, we have the Page of Swords energy. You have to be firm and you have to be steadfast with respect to your goals. I think you're somebody who's going to cut through the obstacles. Maybe your family elders or your father or even a father figure may not agree to your plans with respect to your career or maybe your educational interests, but then you're going to be quite decided or resolved about how you should proceed. Like I said, you may feel as though financial issues are there or your pockets aren't too deep. That is why you may feel the pinch this month. Some of you may also be wanting to travel out of town for higher education or for work opportunities. Basically, on the work front also, you're going to be somebody who is going to take matters headlong. Your schedules could also be disrupted this month, so you have to have a very flexible mindset. I think you have to brace yourself for these changes, or you have to work on a priority basis. On account of this uprush of energy, you may be a bit distracted or you may be lacking focus. Also, there could be some errors which you could do without. Ideally, I think Leos, you should be patient, but then you tend to rush rather than follow instructions in these 10 days. Also, if there are opportunities lying in wait for you, then you should make allowances or you should make some concessions for your clients rather than let go of them. Accountancy work or bookkeeping will also keep you busy this month. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th June, we have the Six of Pentacles energy. Expenditures quite likely or it is going to mount, so you need to be very careful with respect to money matters. I think some kind of irritability is also there in this month that you have to deal with. You tend to get exasperated or you could be blowing hot and cold as well. For some of you, I'm also picking up that in case you're renewing those licenses or you have not done so on time, then you have to cough up a fine. Besides, the limitations that are placed upon you by your family could also affect you personally. That is why you may be more determined to leave the roost. Professionally also, Leos, you could be feeling the heat in these 10 days. Maybe you feel that the preview of your work could be rejected by prospective clients, or your boss could also ask you to rework on the idea. Perhaps your superior failed to understand your designs or your ideas. While working also, like I said, your superior may not be happy because you get distracted or you lack focus. That is why you need to pull up your socks. I think your job is also on the line in case you're not dedicated as a worker, in case you don't have a professional attitude. Interestingly, this month the universe is also going to be bountiful towards you. Maybe you will get a second chance at work. So it's time to get down to business. It's time to dig in your heels and to focus on work entirely. On the other hand, those of you who are on good terms with your superior, you may find that the superior uses you to understand what's going on within the department. Possibly you're acting as a mole for him or her. Leos who are at the helm of affairs, I think you have to find replacements. Maybe staff is unavailable or they are on leave. That is why your responsibilities could increase this month. Towards the final days, we have the hangman, that is towards 21st to 30th June. Certainly, you feel as though you are in a state of suspension or that you are in a limbo. You want clarity with respect to issues. Like I said, this month you may have to sacrifice yourself. Perhaps you've looked for a job opportunity, but then your expectations may not be met. Or in case, Leos, you're hankering after a better position at work, then you may be a bit disappointed. So it's best to lower your expectations. Also, I think towards the final days, you should guard against ill health. Maybe physically and mentally, you are very tired and worn out. Interestingly, on the work front, you'll be able to complete a lot of tasks. Surely, you will also be amply rewarded for the hard work that you put in. Again, this entire month, you'll have to prioritize. You have to adjust your schedule and focus on whatever is important. It would be best to take the assistance of others. Besides, it would serve you well if you pay attention to the details rather than overlook it, because overlooking the same could mean that you could end up redoing the tasks. Ideally, in these final days, you should use your brains and make the most of the situation, as Lady Luck is also on your side. Many of you will also be kindly disposed towards others this month, and this definitely adds to your personality, or it adds to your magnetism. With respect to your love life, I have this card here which says, thoughts of you fill up my senses. Certainly you will be preoccupied with thoughts about this special someone, or maybe this person whom you are dealing with or whom you are connected with on a deep soul level is also thinking about you. Single Leos, there will be admirers, and their explicit behavior leaves you in no doubt that they are interested in you or they are in love with you. I think your loved one also feels that somebody is making sheep eyes at you, but then you are going to brush it aside because you don't have those feelings for this person. Interestingly, this month, Leos, you should also watch out because there could be unwanted attention that is coming your way. In case, Leos, you have someone on your mind, or in case you're crushing on someone, I think you will be feeling the urge to connect with this person. Maybe you could send a message across. Perhaps this person is going to ignore you. That is why you could wonder where this relationship is heading. Ideally, I think, Leos, you should give this relationship time and space. Maybe you feel that you're sacrificing yourself, but this person is not reciprocating. The ambiguity could also affect you this month. Interestingly, for some of you, I'm also picking up that an ex-flame could also reach out to you and reconfirm his feelings for you, but then you have moved on. Maybe this person has always been thinking about you. Balancing, Leos, I think there'll be roadblocks in your love life. Maybe your family members want to dissuade you from forming an attachment with this person, but then you believe it's your choice to make. Nevertheless, the two of you will be planning date nights, or you will compliment each other. I think your person is going to overwhelm you with the way he puts words together. These profound words could touch your soul. I think some of you may also be planning to make that trip to be with your person, because we have the Six of Pentacles energy. Perhaps you're also going to spend some money in buying those gifts for this person. As romantic partners, you will also be discussing work. Perhaps this person will also agree to the mistakes that he has made, or he is trying to make amends. On the other hand, married Leos, I think you could find yourself being emotional or being reduced to tears because your spouse or your person is going to pick on you. Perhaps he could also romantically link you with members of the opposite sex. That is why you could consciously steer clear of the opposite sex to avoid these misunderstandings. I think this month you could also want to unburden your soul. Maybe you want to discuss your plight with other family members or those who care to listen. You definitely believe that issues should be resolved behind closed doors rather than go public with the same. Those Leos who are in an unhappy connection, I think you should not put up with abuse or domestic violence. This toxicity can hurt your whole soul and your personality. Those of you who are in a secret relationship or in an extramarital relationship should also be careful because your love life could come out in the open. To wrap up this reading, we have messages from the Angel Therapy card. Archangel Michael, it says here, is he is protecting and he is shielding you. So in case you're in an unhappy connection or in case there are issues at work, you should pray to Archangel Michael, ask him to intervene because he will only intervene if you call upon him for protection and guidance. Basically, he is your backbone and he is helping you move forward fearlessly. Another card we have here is gracefully aging. Possibly you're maturing, even if you're a young person, maybe you're wise beyond your years, that is why you're being sought after for your words of wisdom. Those of you who are aging physically, I think you need to have retirement plans in place, or maybe you need to take care of yourself as well. Perhaps you should embrace your hard-won years of learning and be comfortable in your own skin. Maybe some of you are also caring for your elders in the family or your aging parents. Ideally, I think Leos, you should hold positive thoughts and feelings about the aging process because the more you do so, the more you think along those lines, the more you will glow. Besides, your inner peace and wisdom will make you quite radiant. I hope Leos, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.